Cosmo, did you get it in the bucket? In the plant pot? Do you reckon you can do it on film? Hang on. Oh! You're not going anywhere near it. You're bouncing it to your left, Cosmo, that's the problem.
One more shot, Cosmo.
No. Cosmo, no. That far away. No! This time. Oh!
What did you like best about the Northern England show?
I liked helping all the kids have a go at the casting and the games, and I think what was interesting was a lot of the parents had brought their kids, and then you take to the kids. Have you ever been fishing before? No. Why not? Take your kids fishing, make it fun.
Stu got the short straw and has to drive home after the Northern England show. I get to sit in the passenger seat
And eat sweets.
and eat sweets.
All the fried eggs.
All the fried eggs.
Haribo fried eggs, and you ate the lot. So unfair.
What was your favourite thing about the Northern England show?
It's big.
That it?
That's it, that's all he says.
Back from the Northern England show, ready to go to bed. But guess why there's not enough kids going fishing? Because their parents aren't taking them as Mum and Dad's parents are. So hurry up, parents. Take your kids fishing and make it fun, peace.
What about your moustache?
I'm not doing that.
Your moustache isn't coming off, is it? So
No.
are you going to have to go to school with a moustache and
no,
beard drawn on?
Cosmo's going to have to go to school. And when Mr. Oakley hears, because Mummy's going to tell Mr. Oakley, he'll have to go to Mrs. Appleby's office.
That's a really nice moustache and beard, though. You did walk around most of the show with it. Take your kids fishing and help them grow a moustache and beard. Night.
I forgot I had homework, but hopefully, because I've been at a fishing show the entire weekend.
Volunteering, we get hooked on fishing.
Yeah, hopefully I'll get away with it.
Do you reckon?
I just need to be hoping, and yeah.
Is it right what Milo said, that you're going to be dreaming about marrying Claudia Dargis tonight?
Shut up. It's probably you, Daddy.
Cheeky. I'm already married.
You can still divorce.
Is that really appropriate?
You know why kids aren't going fishing that much? The main problem is the parents. The parents won't take their kids fishing. What they need to do is just take them fishing. It doesn't matter if it's just an hour at a time, but all they need to do is just take them fishing. Take your kids fishing and make it fun.